In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create templates on monday.com. Templates are a fantastic way to standardize your workflows, save time, and keep your team aligned. To get started, open the board you want to turn into a template. This should be a board that already reflects the structure and content you want others to replicate. Take a moment to confirm the columns, groups, views, and automations are exactly how you want them. Anything that's part of the board setup will carry over into the template, so it's worth doing a quick cleanup before you proceed. With your board open, look to the upper right corner and click the three-dot menu. This menu is sometimes labeled as More Actions, and it's where monday.com keeps options related to board settings and utilities. If you don't see what you're looking for, ensure you have the correct permissions on the board, since certain actions may be limited by your role or workspace policies. From that menu, choose Save as Template. This is the command that packages up your current board structure so it can be reused. Think of it as taking a snapshot of your workflow so you can spin up consistent copies whenever you need them. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a template type. Pick the visibility that best fits how you plan to use it. Private means only you can access the template, which is useful for personal systems or drafts you're still refining. Share with team makes the template available to your team or workspace, helping everyone build boards from the same trusted blueprint. Public broadens access across your organization, ideal for processes that multiple teams rely on. When in doubt, start more restrictive and adjust later if your governance allows. Now add a clear, concise name and a helpful description. The name should make the purpose obvious at a glance. Consider including the team or function, the process, and optionally a version tag so people know they're using the latest setup. In the description, explain when to use the template, what it includes, and any important notes like required integrations or recommended views. Clarity here prevents misuse and sets expectations for anyone who adopts it. That's all there is to it. You've prepared the board, captured it using Save as Template, selected the right visibility, and documented it with a thoughtful name and description. By investing a few minutes up front, you'll save hours down the line and ensure every new board follows the same reliable structure. Thanks for watching and enjoy building faster with templates on monday.com.